Chinese company that got famous mainly for making electronics and consumer products with competitive specifications and affordable pricing, has recently presented a series of electric transportation products. While the product lineup consists of both electric scooters and bicycles, it's the e-bikes that are expected to turn this industry on its head. The most affordable bikes will be equipped with a 250-watt battery supply, have the range of about 25 miles, and be available for as little as a couple of $100s. The more expensive models come with better specifications and have a folding design option. Electric bicycles are specifically hot right now, and if you would like to get one of these, you have two options to choose from. You can either buy an already converted bicycle or convert your own bike with the help of a special kit. Meet the BIKEE. This Italian kit is composed of two main parts, the drive unit and the battery. The power output of the kit varies from 250 to 1500 watts. Depending on the chosen battery pack option, the riding range of your converted e-bike will be between 25 and 35 miles. YAMAHA have entered the electric bicycle market with their series of power assist bikes. Every product was specifically developed to cater to the needs of certain groups of riders. So whether you are looking for an urban or mountain bicycle, YAMAHA will have the right product for you. Unlike with other electric bikes out there, YAMAHA does not offer the operation in the electric-only mode, so you will have to pedal at all times. A compact electric cargo bike has been long overdue on the modern market. Finally, we can say that the product that many have been asking for is here. It is equipped with a customizable modular cargo system that lets us travel and move goods easily. Because of the nature of this bike, it is optimized for longer range rather than top speed. It is claimed that you can use one full battery charge to cover up to 92 miles in the pedal assist mode. This premium electric bicycle received a pure cafe racer style, a series of retro handcrafted elements, and a great deal of modern smart settings. The most available settings can be controlled through a special phone application. The bike has an intelligent pedal assist feature that limits the power from 1000 to 250 watts in cities in order to comply with regulations and be suitable for public road use. If you obtain the proper paperwork or use this bike in off-road environments, the maximum power output could be unleashed. STROLER is an electric city bicycle that has a beautiful retro design, a good deal of storage space, and a comfortable elongated seat. Consequently, it has enough room for 2 passengers. This bike is equipped with a 500-watt motor, making the bike completely road legal, even in countries with strict EV laws. You can ride in electrical or pedal assist modes and cover up to 30 miles on a single charge. The Vintage Electric company tried to combine classic vehicle aesthetics with modern electric drivetrain solutions in their products. Besides getting a motorbike with a timeless design, you will receive tons of great features, namely the robust suspension fork that provides a smooth ride and good traction, a powerful rear hub motor, regenerative braking system, and intuitive control features. Depending on the chosen model and riding style, the range of the vintage electric bikes fluctuates between 40 and 75 miles.